एंड गेस व्हाट, कभी हम सोचते हैं वैसा जाएगा बोल के, है ही नहीं भाई सही में। आई मीन जैसा सोचा था वैसे ही हो रहा है। आई एम गोना गो। व्हाट्स अप विद यू? Hello guys. You must be thinking why this girl is so happy today, because the state of mind is such that Anjali आज किसी की सुनेगी नहीं. I feel God is blessing me. He's showering everything on me. Please do no jeans. Well, welcome back to my channel guys. So the main motive behind making this vlog is because we are again on a layover, that too international, and it has to be Abu Dhabi. Yes, you heard it right, Abu Dhabi. That too for 46 hours. 46 hours is too much, right? But before we start this vlog, I want to show you something. I mean, the way the room is, I mean, so much of love. So good. The room gives you that pure vintage vibes. Trust me, and I'm going to show you why. Just stay tuned. Mirror 2, and then here we don't have, but look at this bed. Don't you think this is so good? And here we have a balcony. Balcony is there, but I can't open because we don't have the access. But that's okay. But look at this, I mean, so good. Look at the detailing and the carpet. It gives you that pure luxury vibes. Isn't it so pretty? I mean, जैसा सोचा था वैसे ही हो रहा है. I shouldn't have thought. क्योंकि जब मैंने बोला let's go to safari, they said yeah we will go, and now when the time has come nobody is responding. So I'm like, let me just try these 2 of them. So I tried one, she's not lifting. The second one is there about it, but now he's like, give me some time. So what I did at the end is, I was sure of his floor number, but I was not sure of the room number, so I couldn't even thought of calling him from my room. So what we did, we tried to connect him from the lobby, and surprisingly he lifted the call. Now he's like, oh shit, हो गया है time, give me just 10 minutes. और मेरे साथ यहाँ पे हमारे ड्राइवर भैया भी खड़े हैं, मैं भी वेट कर रही हूँ, ड्राइवर भैया भी वेट कर रहे हैं. अब लाइक 10 मिनट से ज़्यादा हम चले जाएंगे. बोले ओके, डील डन.
Finally, we did start and my crew did join me. And I was so happy about it. And one more thing, I was really shocked to see they do hear songs like this. क्योंकि हम तो इतना frequently सुनते ही नहीं है. And their friendship, I must say, I literally admire their bond. They were nice to each other, plus they were entertaining us as well. And that is what you need in a trip like this after a hassle. Hassle was fine, but that's okay. What you do is what matters at the end, isn't it? We did reach our spot और यहाँ पे टायर की हवा निकाली जा रही थी ताकि हम सफारी अच्छे से कर पाए. Are we all set? Yes, let's go.
What's up with you?
To that in between the bashing he mentioned, बाहर चलो, मतलब बाहर, मतलब हाँ जैसा बोल रहा हूँ वैसे करो, आप एंजॉय करोगे. मैंने बोला okay, let's experience this as well. And I must say, as much as I was enjoying, it was thrilling for me to experience something like this because I literally felt like a free bird. Sand dune bashing was adventurous and one should try whenever they are in Abu Dhabi or Dubai for sure. As sun was setting in no time, Arham Bhai said, it's time to take some beautiful pictures of you, let's go. At this point, I literally felt I am a blind person because the amount of sand it was entering into my eyes. I could only listen to his voice and follow the instruction because I had to do this anyway. And I must say, this was really adventurous.
और हम लोग यहाँ पे कैमल राइड कर रहे हैं
Finally, camel ride for 50 seconds.
only 50 seconds. Don't tell me, यहीं पे उतार देंगे.
हो गया इनका एक सर्कल. हो गया इनका एक सर्कल.
How was the experience?
50 seconds of camel ride, the best in my life.
ऐसा लगा हम उठे, हम बैठे फिर उठ गए. उसी का एक्सपीरियंस. हाँ. और जो एक्सपीरियंस था हमारा सफारी का.
Crazy experience.
Crazy. Everybody should try for
Try
sure.
once in the lifetime.
Yeah.
Golden memory बन जाएगी.
आज तक तो हमने प्लेन में टर्बुलेंस एक्सपीरियंस किया है, बट रियल लाइफ
कैमल में टर्बुलेंस कर रहे थे.
कैमल एंड देन और हम भाई ने तो दिखा दिया जलवा अपना कि सफारी क्या होता है. अभी
The actual desert safari.
Yeah, actual. And it was unlimited.
और ये है हमारे
ये रहे
दोस्त.
हमारे काबिल दोस्त.
नहीं सफारी हमारे साथ की तो हमारी वीडियो नहीं बना रहे हैं.
ऐसे नहीं है.
करेंगे आप.
कंप्लेन नहीं. कंप्लेन क्यों करेंगे? क्या कर रहे थे तुम बताओ?
मैं अपने पाँव को झाड़ रहा हूँ.
रेत ही रेत भर
Wait, I'll
गई.
show you. I'll show you. I'll show you.
Show me the amount of sand. Oh my god. इससे समझ में आता है कि आपने बहुत ज़्यादा एडवेंचर किया है.
Arabian Nights.
देखो इसमें शूज में इतना मट्टी है.
उड़ रहा है.
Here comes a perk of ending our evening with this beautiful belly dance presented by this artist. She was really graceful and I was impressed. At first I was clueless, but it was important for me to taste this food to know their culture.
Are you enjoying?
Yes, 100%.
Finally you got your food, non-veg.
Finally non-veg.
Yeah.
Let's go.
And the best part is this Coke. This guy was looking for Coke since morning. और उसके बाद से तुम्हें Coke ही Coke मिल रहा है.
अभी Coke ही Coke.
Let me know how's the taste. Is it satisfying? No. Out of 5? Not even close to 2.
Kudos to this performer because the amount of turns he was taking, that was insane. For once I felt I'm gonna faint, but this man is not going to stop. Just like a moon. Both of them, they're doing their job really great. I didn't know that I would be pushed onto a stage to perform this way, but I was really touched by this gesture. Miraculously, the one who did the Nora dance form is the one who is doing fireworks show. He is extremely talented and I was really excited and petrified too.
अंजलि, तुम मुझे बोल दो, भूल जाओ, मैं भी होने दूंगा.
मैं भूल जाऊंगी.
जल्दी करो यार.
वो स्पीच प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं.
Today special day for Mr. Anjali.
Mr. Anjali.
I mean, expect the most unexpected speech. But that's okay, he at least tried to make us laugh and entertain at the same time. I was really touched by this personalized service because who doesn't love? It's very important how you make your guest feel. That's what matters and that is the impact they left. I really felt special that day, though it was not my birthday, but he wanted to make me feel good about it, that I chose him for this desert safari. I must say that although it was a last minute booking, but they didn't make me feel that way. It was not visible, not even a single person. Instead, they ensured that we both enjoyed their company, their services they provide. Because customer attention is really important and that's how they create the impact. They both were really nice. I was impressed by their bond and the vibe they were creating. This was unnecessary, but we really enjoyed it.
कैसा लगा आपको हमारे साथ? Did you enjoy? नुकसान किया बट ठीक है ना. हमको भी काफी मजा आया. मिलते हैं फिर, ठीक है?
Well, this brings to the end of our vlog part 1 Abu Dhabi layover. Definitely I'm gonna come up with part 2, so stay tuned. Glad that I didn't waste my time in the room, instead I got to experience this. I'm feeling content, I mean my heart is. So keep exploring like me. If you really like my video, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Till that, sayonara, signing off.